Video is for educational purposes only. All right, so the first thing we want to do is this. Okay, we are going to download this software. It's called Magic Cam. Okay, so you can see Magic Cam. We're going to download it on our laptop. Now once you download Magic Cam, you are going to open up Magic Cam. Now once you open up Magic Cam, it's going to load up like this. Now at this section over here, these are the faces you can choose from. You can see that there are many faces and you can still add your picture. Now, for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be using this particular face. So I'm just going to double click on the face and you're going to see that it's going to change my face to that face. You can see that the image is very blurry and it does not even look sharp at all. You understand? So we have two options to improve the quality. We have HD mode, okay, to enhance the image quality and make it clearer, and we have face obstruction optimization, which improves the display when many faces are in the picture. So the most important one to us is this HD mode. So we're just going to click on this HD, okay, and immediately there's going to be an improvement in detail. Now, if your laptop is lagging at this point, okay, the reason why it's not at the best quality right now is because my face, there is not enough lighting, right? So you can see that it's like, you understand, a bit AI-ish, you understand? But I'm going to show you guys from the beginning to the end how to do this video call. Now, by the right hand side, you can see these options, okay? If you want to go deeper into the face, okay, maybe the face is too AI-ish because there is no light, there's no ring light, so that's why it's like this. So if you want to go deeper, you can come here, and if your laptop is lagging or your laptop is slow, you can click on this face replacement quality or face repair quality, and you click on it and you switch it into faster. So when you switch it into faster, it's going to reduce the amount of detail it's trying to capture from this picture or the picture you put, okay, and it's going to make it faster. So you can see it's faster now. I know it's AI-ish, but follow me. If I wave my hand, anything I'm doing, I can do. You can see it's way faster now. So, but I want more detail at the compromise of performance, so I'm just going to switch it into higher. Okay, so you can see that it becomes smoother immediately. So if you have a ring light, use a ring light for it, you understand? So after this, the next thing you want to do is that you're going to go down. You can see face color. So if you're having problem with the color of the face, I don't want to show you guys in this video, but if you're having problem with the color of the face, you can do it from here. You understand? You can drag and adjust, then every other option. Now, how do we change our voice? Okay, the biggest question that has been plaguing video call, how to change your voice. So watch this particular part because this part is very critical. Now, there are two options. At the back of your laptop, there are two ports. These ports now are where you're going to connect a body mic I've put in the description of this video. Now, because it's for educational purposes, I'm not going to be showing that part. So what the body mic basically does is that it reduces the amount of delay you get when you're talking on a video call and your voice is changed. Do you understand? Because when you're talking outside and it's changing your voice, it will be echoing because it's collecting the voice. So body mic takes in all the sound they are saying and makes everything fast, clean and clear. So this is where you're going to plug your Type-C body mic at the back of your laptop. If your laptop is at the side, you can still go to the side of your laptop and plug it. So let's just continue with this tutorial. The next thing I want to do is this. You can see my laptop screen, right? I'm just going to go to voice change. So if I go to voice change, you can see different voices. Now I want us to experiment with just one voice. Note, if I talk, it's going to echo because I am not using a body mic, but definitely it's going to change my voice. So I want you guys to watch it live before I use it for a fake video call. So what I'm going to do is that I'm just going to double click on this voice, and if you don't want to use this voice, you can still come over here and click on add sound, okay, and upload your own voice. You can see I've uploaded one already, but I don't want to use it because it's for educational purposes only. You can play the recording. Let me play it for you.
Inventing things would be really cool.
So you can hear that that's Elon Musk voice, right? So in order to use this voice or any voice at all, you just double click on it, then you come down, and then you see this microphone icon, the arrow next to it. You click on this arrow, then you select microphone array. If you have that body mic, you see it here, USB body mic something, you click on it. But we don't have the body mic, okay, because it's for educational purposes, so we're just going to use microphone array. Then we're going to come over here, and before I enable this audio monitoring, let me explain it to you, because it's going to start echoing badly. So audio monitoring is for you to monitor it in real time as you're talking. So I cannot be saying all these things and you understand. So it's going to monitor my audio and it's going to be changing my voice. So let's see how it sounds. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
Are you okay?
Are you okay?
So it's Elon. Hello, are you willing to invest?
Hello, are you willing to invest?
Alright, so I switched it off so that I can finish up with the tutorial. So hope you understand this concept of it. So over here you can see the add sound button. Okay, so you can upload the sound you want to use. I've already cloned the voice here, but I don't want to show you guys because you understand. So now the next thing we want to do is to make a fake video call, obviously. So we're going to open this software. It's called OBS Studio. You just search for OBS. So when you search for OBS Studio, okay, it's going to load up. Now once it loads up, you're just going to click on this plus under these sources. Then you're going to click on video capture. Then you're going to click on OK. Then you're going to switch from your laptop camera to Magic Cam. So immediately I do that, you can see me. So I'm just going to click on OK, and I'm just going to move my mouse over to edit. Okay, I'm going to move down to transform, and I'm going to go to fit to screen. So you can see fit to screen, and immediately it has automatically fit to the screen. Now the reason why it's looking like AI, I told you guys, is because I don't have a ring light here. So you have to get a ring light that will give you your face some light, you understand? So the more light on your face, the more detail that is going to be captured on your face, you understand? So because there is no light, that's why it looks like a piece of, I don't know. So I'm just going to move my mouse here, and I'm going to click on start virtual camera. But before I click on start virtual camera, this is very important if you want to use it on WhatsApp. So I'm just going to disable this start virtual camera. I'm going to carry my mouse up here. I'm going to go to tools. I'm going to go to distro AVNDI, and I'm going to enable main output. Okay, and I'm just going to go down and click on OK. So once I click on OK, I'm now going to click on start virtual camera. You understand? Now where do I want to make the video call? On WhatsApp. So I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to open my Chrome browser, and I'm going to search for NDI6 tools. Now you can see NDI6 tools. I'm going to go to the first link. Okay, and these links are in the description of this video, so you can go there and download it. So I'm going to download NDI6 tools for Windows. So when I download it, I'm going to install it. So obviously I've installed it before. So after the installation, I'm just going to search for NDI app. You can see NDI app here. So when I search for it, you can see this NDI app here. I'm going to open it up. So once I open it up, you can see the interface, and I can fill up anything. So I don't want to like give out my public information, so just fill out anything, last name, anything, email, at .com, then company, just fill up anything. So I'm going to fast forward this part. So after that part, after the filling part, you're going to be greeted with this interface. Now I'm just going to double click on the webcam option. Okay, and when I double click on it, it's going to show here. So here I'm just going to click on settings. I'm going to move my hand to OBS. This my desktop. I'm going to click on OBS. So when I do that, it's going to start showing my face. You can see I'm going to move over here. I'm going to do it for all these ones. So OBS. You understand? I'm just going to be switching everything to OBS. I already told you guys why it looks like AI. I told you guys that's because I'm not my ring light. This is just like a fast tutorial. OBS. So after that, I'm going to come on my WhatsApp. I'm just going to video call the person I want to video call. I'm just going to click on these three buttons Okay, and you're going to see a lot of options. Now you see this NDI video 2. I'm going to click on it, and once I click on it, you can see that I'm showing on WhatsApp, right? You can see. So how do I add my voice changer? Because I know that it's very important to a lot of people. So in order to add voice changer, you're just going to click on this, okay, and you select your magic cam mic. I don't want to really show that part of this video, but it's not that difficult, you understand? So it's not perfect. But we're getting closer to realistic.
Voices.